Greetings, fellow seekers of tranquility. Today, we're diving into the magical world of meditation, a practice that has been calming minds and nurturing souls for centuries. So, get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and uncover the incredible benefits meditation can bring to your mental health. Let's take a deep breath and find our Zen. Step 1. Find your sanctuary. Seek out a peaceful and quiet space where you can immerse yourself in the practice of meditation. It could be your cozy bedroom, a serene garden, or even a dedicated meditation room. Make it a place where you can escape the distractions of the outside world and find inner stillness. Step 2. Get comfortable. Find a comfortable sitting position that allows you to relax and focus. It could be sitting cross-legged on a cushion, resting on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or even lying down if that works better for you. The key is to find a position that allows you to be at ease while maintaining an alert and upright posture. Step 3. Set a timer. To avoid constantly checking the clock, set a timer for your meditation session. Start with a shorter duration, like 5 or 10 minutes, and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to meditate daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Step 4. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Feel the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Take slow, deep breaths, allowing your breath to become your anchor in the present moment. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the breath, without judgment or frustration. Step 5. Explore visualizations. Visualization can enhance your meditation experience and deepen your connection with your inner self. Picture yourself in a serene setting, like a tranquil beach or a lush forest. Engage your senses by imagining the sounds, smells, and textures of this peaceful place. Let the visualization guide you into a state of deep relaxation. Step 6. Embrace mantras. Mantras are repetitive phrases or words that can help calm the mind and focus your thoughts. Choose a mantra that resonates with you, such as peace, love, or serenity. Silently repeat your chosen mantra during your meditation, allowing its positive vibrations to wash over you and create a sense of inner harmony. Step 7. Cultivate gratitude. During your meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for the blessings in your life. Reflect on the things you're grateful for, big or small, and let a sense of appreciation fill your heart. Gratitude meditation can shift your focus to the positive aspects of life and boost your overall well-being. Now that you've learned the steps to meditate, let's explore the incredible benefits it can bring to your mental health. Today, we're going to explore the marvelous benefits of meditation and how it can work wonders for your mental health. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and unlock the secrets to a calmer, happier mind. Let's dive in and discover the magic of meditation. First off, let's talk about how meditation affects our marvelous brains. Did you know that regular meditation can actually rewire your brain? It's like giving your mind a refreshing makeover. Studies have shown that meditation increases the thickness of the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for decision-making and emotional regulation, while reducing the size of the amygdala, the center of fear and stress. So, it's like sculpting your brain into a Zen masterpiece. Stress, go away. That's right, meditation is a powerful stress buster. In our hectic modern lives, stress can creep up on us like a mischievous imp. But fear not. Meditation is here to save the day. By practicing mindfulness and deep breathing techniques, you activate your body's relaxation response, melting away stress like butter on a warm pancake. Say goodbye to frazzled nerves and hello to inner peace. Ever feel like your thoughts are on a wild roller coaster ride? Meditation can help you tame that unruly mental circus. Picture this, your thoughts are like clouds passing by in the vast sky of your mind. Through meditation, you learn to observe those thoughts without judgment or attachment. It's like being the calm observer of your own mind's circus act. With practice, you'll find clarity amidst the chaos and discover a profound sense of inner calm. Want to boost your mood and cultivate a sunny disposition? Meditation is the secret ingredient. It releases those delightful little chemicals called endorphins, the brain's natural mood elevators. It's like a happy pill without the side effects. As you meditate, you create a space within yourself to nurture positive emotions and let go of negativity. So, say hello to a brighter outlook on life and wave goodbye to the gloomy clouds. Did you know that meditation can be a heartwarming experience? Not only does it benefit your mind, but it also has a positive impact on your heart health. Regular meditation can lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve overall cardiovascular function. It's like giving your heart a big, warm hug. So, let your heart dance with joy as you embrace the gift of meditation. Let's not forget about the marvelous effect meditation has on memory and cognitive function. When you meditate, you engage your brain in a mental workout that strengthens neural connections and improves focus. It's like giving your brain a turbo boost. Say goodbye to forgetfulness and hello to improved concentration, enhanced creativity, and sharper mental clarity. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about the incredible impact meditation can have on your overall well-being. It's like a spa day for your mind and soul. By nurturing a regular meditation practice, you will cultivate self-awareness, compassion, and a deeper connection with yourself and others. It's like discovering the hidden treasures within your own being. So, grab your meditation cushion and let's embark on a journey of self-discovery.